Today we are going to learn important skills about how to answer a reading text. Large number of our students say that it's so difficult for them to answer a reading comprehension or a passage. Why? First of all, they think that it's so difficult to understand new words that they didn't hear about it before. But they need to know that they aren't allowed to know all the meanings of the words at the passage. They need only to know the melody of the passage and to understand the meaning of the words through the whole passage, not add a specific word or a specific sentence. So, our session today will be about how to answer reading text effectively. So, when we try to answer a text, first of all, we need to be able to know that I don't have to read the text as the text itself. No. First, I need to divide it into partitions. And after that, we are going to know, or we are going to give each part of them like a topic or a title. So, when answering text, it's very important to take time and read the passage carefully. It's a very important step. Then you need to follow in the first stage. So, after that, we need to be aware of the questions of the passage. So, don't think that it will be away from the idea or the main topic of the passage. So, be careful. Try to find links for the meaning of that. You need to make like joining or linking the question and the main idea or the passage itself of the question. So by that way, you will be able to answer the questions easily. Also, the passage itself, don't think that will be easy. So don't enter the exam and think that the text or the comprehension will be like a story for children. You need to make sure that it will be difficult. So you need only to understand the theme, the idea, not the old parts of the text. Also, never move away. Don't think out of the books while reading a text. Or let's say that you need to concentrate on the main idea of the text. How to answer the questions here? First, try to understand the message, okay? Second, you need to know the reason why this text was here, why you are going to learn from it. And after that, you'll be able to answer it. And the last one, make a summary. What's the meaning of that? When you start to read like a story or something for you, you want to know what is the end, what will happen next. So to do that, you need to make like a summing up or a summary for that part, and according to this summary, you will be able to understand it carefully. Down to top. So why not to try to read the questions before reading the text, and after that, make a link between them. That will be so easy for you to find the answers easily and quickly. Also, we need to save time. Here, time plays a very important role, and we need to manage our time correctly. So, try to divide it into parts, as I said that before, and watch your time. Also, large number of students think that I need to read it quickly, like blah, 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 blah. So, that's wrong. You need to read it slowly and read it more than one time to be able to understand it. Practice so important here, as don't say that reading is so difficult for me. I have that sort of questions, but you don't do anything to understand it or to answer it. So you need to first of all to practice yourself at home and also at school. Ask your teachers to help you to do that. They will never say no. Okay. The reading speed. What's the meaning of that? Here in English, we have two techniques, which are so important for us. We have the skimming and scanning. What's the difference between them? So, skimming here means I don't need to read the whole text or the whole passage. I need only to make like a keywords for each part, and according to these keywords, we are going to find out the answers of the questions and to understand the passage. But here for scanning, I need to read it for more than one time. For example, for about 3 times, and to be accurate that we are going to understand each part here. So skimming can be like quick reading, okay, but here slow reading. Here I need only like the sum up of the text, but here I need the main idea and all these more details here. So this way can be used for true and false questions, but here you can use for the long shape of questions. So I can also name the scanning way like the close reading. So we can say that I can use it when I want to like read a novel or short passage on a test. So how to close reading? Here we found out that we read after 3 times, find main idea, be able to summarize. Look for text features, figure out author's purpose and also determine meaning of words. Look at text closely to answer questions. But here for the skimming, as I said before, it's like what? Giving glances, okay? You don't need to concentrate at each part here. So look at pictures and explanations, read table, read headings, and read topics in concluding sentence. So I think now it's so easy for us to know how to answer any text. We need only to find keywords, highlight, marks, understand the meaning, and make anchors. Thanks for watching.